Sometimes when you extract parts, for some unknowable reason, Finale will only extract one measure of each part. But don't worry, it can be fixed. So here's a part, bass trombone. I extracted it. It's supposed to be 7 measures long. It's only 1 measure long. Click on Document, Edit Part, Generate Parts. Nothing happens. That's okay. Document, Edit Part, and there's the bass trombone part. Select it, and now you get the entire part. You see we have an oversized final measure, totally unacceptable. Click that measure, Utilities, move to previous system. Now we're good to go. At this point, you can PDF it. Let me show you one more time. Here is trombone 2, missing 6 measures. Click on Document, Edit Part, Generate Parts, then repeat, edit. There's that part that we actually need, and there's the rest of the measures. Get rid of that oversized measure, move it to the previous system. Now you're ready to PDF. Again, I don't know why Finale does this. It doesn't even work to regenerate the parts in the extraction. I've also tried changing the file name, saving it as a new file, and then extracting the parts. That doesn't work either. I'm sure there's other ways to fix it. This is what I do. Good luck.